What if I told you that one simple tool could unlock more traffic, more views, and even an extra $1,000 a month? And no, you don't have to be a genius for this to work. This is the exact SEO toolkit I used to grow my music channel and start making passive income every month by selling sheet music. And today, I'm going to show you how using this toolkit can help you optimize your content, get more traffic, and increase your sales. And if you're not using a proven strategy to optimize your content, you're leaving money on the table. Even worse, you're wasting time that could be spent doing what you love. If this sounds like you, make sure to grab yourself a copy of this toolkit, link in description. Now, I don't know about you, but I was tired of spending hours creating content and not making any sales. Let me show you how I was able to generate consistent passive income and how you can too. Here are 3 main ways this toolkit can help you increase your sales. And make sure you stick around for number 3 because I'll give you some steps you can take right now to boost your views. So number 1, this toolkit guides you in choosing topics and keywords that promote growth. You'll discover how to identify and leverage the right topics and keywords to consistently attract your target audience. This includes a mix of evergreen content that remains relevant long-term and trending topics that capitalize on current interest. With these strategies, you'll create content that not only drives consistent traffic, but also positions you as an authority in your niche. When I started, I had no idea how to find the right topics. I would just make a video about whatever I felt like. This worked briefly as my very first video got 1,600 views, not bad. But every video after that tanked, and I was lost as to how I could fix it. I quickly realized the need to create videos on topics that people were actually searching for. Once I nailed down the right keywords, everything changed. If you're ready for some much needed change, type change in the comments. So number 2 is that this toolkit helps you craft titles, thumbnails, and descriptions. Trying to come up with the perfect video title can feel like naming your firstborn child. So this toolkit provides proven techniques for creating elements that are engaging and persuasive. This is especially important because your title and thumbnail are the first thing viewers see, so they have to be on point. These elements are key to encouraging viewers to click on your videos and engage with your content, ultimately leading to more visibility, longer watch times, and increased trust in your brand. Number 3 is that this toolkit guides you step by step to optimize your videos for maximum reach. It'll walk you through how to ensure your videos get discovered by the right audience. You'll learn how to use tags, timestamps, CTAs, and other tactics that drive organic traffic and turn viewers into buyers. Here are some quick steps you can take to boost the videos you've already uploaded. You can start by pinning a comment with a link to another one of your videos to increase viewer engagement and session time. You can update the title, description, and tags on your older videos with new keywords to boost views. And you can create timestamps in your videos to help YouTube further understand your content and make it easier for your viewers to navigate. By using the strategies in this toolkit, you'll have everything you need to create high-performing content that attracts viewers, builds loyalty, and converts your audience into customers. I use this toolkit on my music channel, and in just a few months, my traffic increased significantly. More traffic meant more views, which translated to more people buying my sheet music. I now make consistent monthly income, all while spending less time worrying about algorithms and more time creating content I actually enjoy. Now, without a system like this, here's what happens. Your income will get capped because your content isn't reaching enough people. You spend hours guessing what works instead of focusing on growing your business. And ultimately, you're stuck in the same cycle, unable to scale and free up your time for what truly matters. With this toolkit, you don't just get more traffic, you get more opportunities to monetize, more visibility for your business, and more freedom to live on your own terms. The best part is, you don't even need 1,000 subs to earn every month. So if you're ready to stop wasting time and start scaling your business, click the link in the description and get this SEO toolkit that helped me grow my channel and increase my income. 2025 is the year that we level up, and it all starts now.